Good afternoon guys, and welcome to another video for Motorhome Retrofit. So the last couple of days this vehicle has been in, and Martin has been fitting a Brink Detachable Towbar and reversing sensors. Now this is a 2023 Adria Twin Supreme 600. It's on a Ducato 8 chassis and has come to us with 0 tow bar and 0 parking sensors. Now we do see a lot of these that do come from factory with the rear only parking sensors, and we've seen a few now that have come also with the front and rear, but this customer wanted to have towing facility as well as then the parking sensors. So if you join me over here, we'll show you a bit about the tow bar and how it works, and also not our parking sensors. Now if you've been on our website or our YouTube channel and follow us regularly, you'll see that we do a lot of the front and rear parking sensors. So this is no different to those, apart from that we've just done rear only on this particular vehicle. They are hole sawed into the plastic bumper. The metal behind the bumper, if you're not fitting a tow bar, has already got the cutouts for the parking sensors, and then all we do is we put a slight angled collar on the sensors so that they look up rather than look down in case you're on gravel or grass, because they will pick up and false alarm. These are completely independent of the tow bar, nothing to do with it, and when you select reverse gear, an audible buzzer comes on, is fitted at the back of the vehicle, which we'll show you anyway. Now more importantly, this is the tow bar. You can team the Brink Detachable Towbar up with 7-pin or 13-pin dedicated electrics. This has gone for the 13-pin. I don't think we've fitted a 7-pin as yet, but the 13-pin is for caravans, trailers and bike racks that require a little bit more, and most modern devices or appliances these days will need a 13-pin connection. So there you go, that's the 13-pin bolted on the side there. What we're going to do in this video is just show you how the tow hitch comes off, gets stowed in its little bag that it comes with, and then how you put it back on. So using the key, on this particular model, you put the key in with the teeth facing up and you turn 180. Just remove the key, and then once you're ready, you're then putting a hand on the actual tow bar, the weight itself, and you're going to push in and you're going to twist down. Once you've done that, you can then lift the tow hitch away like so, and the tow hitch can go neatly into its little storage bag. Once you've put it away in its storage bag, you've then got a handy little dust cover, and a handy little dust cover just goes in like so and clips in. And the reason for that is just because you don't want dust and dirt and everything else to get up inside here, because then the locking mechanism is really going to struggle. Electrics, unlike other vehicles, don't fold away because it's a very shallow bumper on this particular model. So the electrics are there as to be seen. And then when you're ready, thumb and forefinger, pull out your plastic cap and make sure that your tow hitch is in the red position, so that when you're ready you can put the tow hitch in, line up the two spigots and push down, and you'll find then you get a really nice satisfying click. Most importantly at this point is with the key, the teeth facing down on the key, you're then going to do your 180 with your teeth facing up. That means now you are locked. This won't push in, it won't turn, it's locked, you're good to go. So this is the Brink Detachable Towbar, connected with a 13-pin towing socket with dedicated electrics. Now what that means is that the cabling all gets routed underneath the vehicle, gets pulled up towards the main battery area or in the front cabin, and also then connected to data. And the data gives it the indicator supply, the reverse light, the fog light, the brake lights and your side lights. And that's where the vehicle is doing all of those commands. If you had factory parking sensors, it can also talk data to those to shut those up. But this isn't, these are aftermarket sensors. Yes, you can fit an additional aftermarket switch to disable them, but on this particular vehicle we haven't. And what we're going to do now is just show you, if I just open the back door here, top left-hand corner is a nice, neat buzzer for the parking sensors. Now, of course, when you put it into reverse gear, you've then got a little buzzer that makes the noise corresponding to how close you are to an obstacle or obstacles. Now, the sensors themselves, you've got 4 mounted or located in the bumper, and the buzzer is set to high, and you can change that from high, medium and low, but because it's quite far back in the vehicle, we always set it to high on a motorhome, and it's just much nicer. So I'm just going to put the vehicle ignition on, and I'm going to put the vehicle into reverse gear, and then Sammy can pick up the audible buzzer. Once the vehicle is in reverse gear, but audible buzzer will start to beep, but only if you've got something in its detection zone. So as we walk up to the back of the vehicle now, you've got your sensor. Now, if I was to get really close to the back bumper itself, you'll hear that the buzzer will go to a continuous tone, and a continuous tone is normally around 30 centimeters or 1 foot away. So if I move away from the vehicle, like so, and you can hear the buzzer getting less frequent, and that's because of the fact that it's now not detecting anything within 1 meter. If we were to move away from the vehicle itself, it'll actually get quieter and quieter, or less frequent. So this is the parking sensors, rear only on this particular vehicle, and the Brink Towbar. So this has been a video for a 2023 Adria Twin Supreme, Brink Detachable Towbar, rear parking sensors, done. Customer's going to be chuffed to bits with this. Website links in the bio. If you've got a vehicle like this and want any of this equipment fitted, then please do get in touch with us via the contact form on the website. And as usual, thank you for watching.